the f just happened? Are we going? To light speed! Yeah! Cool. Here we go. But yeah, Slender Man was the 38th film I've seen this year. That's a lot of films. Tonight I'm going to be watching Avengers. Probably in 3D. I got 3D Blu-ray. I haven't actually seen it in 3D. I saw it in regular old 2D. And then I saw it in Super Screen, which is a huge screen that uses 2 4K projectors. And it had Dolby Atmos, which is amazing. What is going on? Wait, why is Quark? Oh, am I dreaming? Yeah. This is Twin Peaks. That's what it feels like. I've never watched Twin Peaks. But, oh my god. I don't like this. Imagine this on a PSP screen. Jeez. Who thought this was a good idea? What is going on? What is happening? They needles? Were they needles?
To change pieces of your armor, press the start button and select the
I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Thank you very much, lady. I'm kind of in the middle of something here. Buy maximum ammo. I don't need to buy any of this. I don't need to buy any of that rubbish. Remember when you got the suck cannon for free? What is this dream nonsense? Are they needle? Yeah, they're definitely needle looking. I don't know if I like that. What would you do if needle flew at you? Hello? Break? Thank you. What? Oh, was I meant to... Am I back at the start? God damn it. Was I meant to swing? I think I was meant to swing across, guys. Look at those little bitty boxes. Oh, that was cute.
Who you calling cute, sucker?
They were cute, I'm telling ya. I feel like a giant. Ah! Gotcha. Ah. Why are those boxes down there floating? Get back up here, boxes. Alright, why don't you start here? Okay. Oh. Do I do something with that? I think I do. Apparently I do that and destroy it. I can't remember. Sprout-o-matic. Do I do this? Yeah. Does he follow me? Oh yeah. Huh. 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 No. Stop it. Oh, the plumber.
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
What's the plumber doing here? How does this work? I don't remember how to do this. You gonna follow me? Ah. There we go. See, it's been a long time. What? To stop swinging the camera around. I want to look at it. Oh, whatever. Oops. This way? Sure. That happened. Do I need to switch to it? I'm going to switch to it just to be sure. There we go. I'm scared of falling off and having to do all that over again. Don't fall off. This effect around the outside is annoying me. What the f just happened? Why did I die? What killed me? Ah, stop drowning. What killed me? I don't understand. I don't understand what happened. I have full health and then just died from nothing. Stupid. Stupid game. Why did I die? What actually killed? I jumped and then I died. There we go. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Let's not die this time for no reason. Come on. I got things to do. I I ain't got time to... Get out of here, Quark. Nobody likes you. There we go. Right, now... Oh, did that kill me? But it just like insta-killed me. I don't even care, I'm going. Nobody cares. What about giant eyeballs? Nobody gives a damn about plumbers floating in space. Oh, wrong button. There we go. You get in there. And then, you get in there. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Why fancy reporter floating in space? Did I do a thing? Oops. There we go. Okay, I've got to go back to get across. God, of course I do. If I get killed, I'm going to scream this time. Last time I was silent. This time I will not silence my anger. Okay, I'm going. Did I do a thing? Where am I going? What is going on? What is happening? I'm tripping out. Ah! Ah! Okay. Yeah, that happened. Thank God for that. I just wanted a continue point. I couldn't react to the Quark chainsaw man. Oh, am I trying to get to my ship? Apparently so. Ah! Mother... God damn it. I didn't know that was gonna happen. Quick. They fall. Umbrellas fall, if you didn't know. If you stand on an umbrella. That's it. It's game over. Right, I'm running. Yay! You jerky crab monster. What am I doing right now? Chainsaws. Okay. Where do I go? Oh. Ow! Right, for God's sake. Die! Thank God for that. Right, okay, I can get him from here. Whoo! Ha 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 ha! Dodged. Die! Quark nurse! Ugh! It's freaking me. Oh my God! I shot her. Does she deserve to be shot? Oh, okay, sure. Why? There's Quark, there's Dr. Nefarious, and there's what's his name? Chairman Drek, who wasn't as cool in the film. They kind of used him to get Nefarious as the bad guy, which I don't blame him. Nefarious is the coolest bad guy. He's one of the coolest bad guys in any game, I think. Like, name a cooler bad guy. Is they gonna get me? Ah! 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 How am I meant to? How did I survive that? I don't even know. Okay, I did it. Did I do it? I did a thing. Yay! I'm in a dream. It kind of ended in a weird place.
Ratchet. Come on, Ratchet. Wake up. You must wake up. There is still so much to do.
What do we have to do? I don't want to do much more.
Odd about that Luna girl. This is all my fault.
Yeah, it is. It's always your fault, Clank. You're always screwing it up. Okay, it didn't just end. I'm still in dream world. Okay, yeah, there is a thing there. I just couldn't see it. I really wish this effect would go away. It doesn't help with the resolution of this PSP game. I am playing. I think I've mentioned before, but this is the PS2 version. But you know. Oh my God! What? Oh wait, that actually came through the mirror. That was creepy. I didn't like that. Is there anything behind here? Some health. Can I go through the mirror? I want to go through it. Is that it? I can't do anything else to it. I thought I was going to break free. Break free of my dungeon. Okay, sure, whatever. Right, let's go this way. Okay, I thought it was going to take me somewhere. That looks dangerous. Apparently I can just step in it. Who cares? This purple... Oh, this purple space liquid. It's fine. It's all good. Doesn't matter. It's a dream. Can he? Oh, what? I was being so cocky that I fell down while I was being cocky. As per usual. Of course it happened. Ugh, this is horrible.